Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Uniswap with Metamask Mobile. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Metamask Mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to first select your network. So you can select Ethereum or you can even select BNB Smart Chain or Arbitrum one. So for this video, I have selected Ethereum main network. Then you will have to tap on this browser tab in the bottom and then you just have to wait for some time until you are redirected on the next page. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where you are going to see a bunch of different options, but among these options you will have to tap on decentralized exchanges and then you just have to scroll down and then tap on Uniswap. Once done, you will be landed on uniswap.org where the first thing that you need to do is to simply link your Metamask account with it. For that, you will have to tap on connect button in the top and then you will be given three options: Uniswap wallet, wallet connect and Coinbase wallet. So over here, in order to connect your Metamask with it, you will have to tap on wallet connect first and after that you will have to tap on select wallet. Then you will have to select Metamask and then you will have to tap on always. Once done, you will have to tap on the connect button and this way you will be able to easily connect your Metamask with Uniswap. Now in order to swap any of the tokens, you will have to first select the token that you want to swap in the first section. After that, you will have to select the token that you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive 1 inch. So I'll simply select 1 inch. Then you will have to enter the amount of token that you want to swap. After that, it will show you the exchange. Then you are going to see a swap button in the bottom. So you need to tap on the swap button in order to swap tokens on Uniswap. You are also going to see the fee structure as well as the gas fees that you need to pay. You can even add limit order over here and you can even use the send option in order to send your cryptos to some other exchange or wallet. You can even tap on buy and you can purchase cryptos on Uniswap. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.